Hey everyone, welcome to one of our Bob's Watches tutorial videos. Today we're going over how to set your Rolex Air-King. Originally conceived during the 1940s as a way to honor fighter pilots during the war, the Rolex Air-King became its own collection in 1958, and the model now pays tribute to the early pioneers of flight and the brand's role in aviation. While the Air-King's grown in size over the years and undergone a significant aesthetic update, along with gaining some anti-magnetic capabilities, all Rolex Air-King watches are united by their simple and straightforward feature set that includes 3 centrally mounted hands for displaying the hours, minutes, and seconds. To set your Rolex Air-King, simply unscrew the winding crown and pull it out until you feel a faint click. Then, rotate the crown in either direction until the correct time is displayed by the hands. Once the time has been set, push in the winding crown and screw it back down to the case to ensure that your watch stays protected against moisture and dirt. Celebrating the early pioneers of flight and the epic story of aviation, the Rolex Air-King offers a clean and highly legible display wrapped up in a tough and reliable package. Most importantly, just like all Rolex watches, every model from the Air-King collection, vintage or modern, is built to last a lifetime. For more information on the Rolex Air-King, be sure to check out our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on our latest video content.